Hi, I'm Zeke, KJ7NLL, and today I'm going to show you what the LNA board that we got looks like, and what the graphs for component versus EM looks like. So let's jump right in. So you can see the graph here. This is for S2Ps, and as you can see is the 2 meter graph. So you can see these numbers. We have a 1.23 to 1.09 SWR and a negative 24 to negative 43 reflection, negative 27 to negative 19 S22, which is great, and a 29.8 to 29.8 gain, which is also amazing, using the Corvo QPL 9547 S2P. So, now, ready to see the real board? Here we go. Okay, so now you can see what the microwave office board that we designed in Microwave Office looks like on the right, and what the board that actually came looks like on the left. And you can see they are quite similar. Alright, so this is the extraction board that we made, and it looks like this because it's the extractions. And see all those ports there? And those are extraction ports, and if I change anything here, like except for the view angle, it will have to resimulate another 6 or 7 or maybe even 8 hours. So we definitely don't want to do that. We have our numbers that are optimized for right here. You should be looking at these numbers. These ones are just to make it work. And then over here is our layer 1 schematic, which you can see here. This is layer 1. So our schematic here is what it's going to look like. This is our schematic, which turns into this on layer 1. Now we can see here that the numbers here will change. So take note of the numbers. And now I'm going to change it from extracted, which is simulated in EM, to not extracted, which is not simulated in EM. Here we go. So it's thinking and doing a tiny little simulation, only one simulation this time. And there it goes. Okay, so we can see that it has new numbers. They're not nearly as good. 29, the dB gain, though, is a tiny bit better. But the reflection is a bit worse, but it's in the range. It's in the range of where we'd expect it to be, from going from optimized to non-optimized with EM to no EM. So I'm just going to turn this back on. Now, these are the matching components on the left and the right. They matched the circuit so that it gets a 50 ohm impedance. This is the NCP163, which I forget what it does, but it either ramps the power up to 5 volts, or it takes the power down to what it was originally input into. So now here's a little story here. So when the first time that we made a board, we tried to order parts using our MDFs that we made and the optimized numbers. And by the way, these numbers were amazing, like nothing you've ever seen before. Just amazing. And so we tried to order parts, and guess what? They weren't in stock. So we went on Octopart, and my dad made a little program to use Octopart, which gives you a list of components from different places that you can buy them from, and just gives you a list of them and shows you which ones are in stock and which you can buy and which you can't. So, yeah. And the link for that is in the description below. So, I think that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video here. And so, thank you for watching. And I hope you guys out there everywhere have a great day.